And so the equivalent of this in Spanish is, for example, if you were to memorize me gusta, for example, right, which means I like it. There's a difference between just memorizing me gusta means I like it versus understanding what me gusta actually means in its logic. Because me gusta literally in its logic means it is pleasing to me. And so if you understood that I like it means it is pleasing to me in Spanish, well then if you want to say they like it, you would know that you'd have to say it is pleasing to them. You understood the logic. And so then you would say les gusta, which is correct if you want to say they like it. But if you just memorize me gusta, you wouldn't be able to say they like it because you'd probably make a mistake. You'd probably say me gustan or something like that. Spanish logic reoccurs, okay? You will almost never find one sort of irregularity in isolation, an irregularity that's not included in a pattern, meaning it doesn't reoccur, okay? The irregularities have patterns. And so how irregular is something if it has patterns, right? Not as irregular as you may have thought, and especially not irregular enough for you to force yourself to memorize every example rather than understanding the logic. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.